Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Appsmith guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use Appsmith templates. Whether you're building dashboards, admin panels, customer management systems, inventory trackers, or other business applications, templates can help you get started much faster. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and navigate to your workspace. When creating a new application, you'll typically have the option to start from scratch or choose a template. Next, browse the available templates. Appsmith offers templates designed for different use cases, including data management, reporting, workflow automation, internal tools, and more. Take a few moments to find one that closely matches your project requirements. Once you've selected a template, review its description, features, and included components. This helps you understand how the application is structured before adding it to your workspace. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your changes and deploy the application for your team or users. Starting with a template often reduces development time and helps you launch projects more quickly, and that's how to use Appsmith templates. By leveraging pre-built applications and customizing them to fit your needs, you can build powerful internal tools faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.